Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates. Hello, you have logged into One India News and this is Mariam. Navratri 2017 began on September 21st and will go on till September 29. Now this Navratri is regarded as the most important of all. It is celebrated in the holy month of Ashwin and is also known as Mahanavratri. During this period, people follow a strict vegetarian diet and avoid consuming certain foods like cereals, grains, non-vegetarian food, regular salt and alcohol. They prepare their daily meals with ingredients like singhara atta, buckwheat flour, sabudana, fresh fruits, sendha namak, to name a few. Now, if you happen to observe these ritualistic fasts or know someone who is keeping them, you may also know of the practice of not including onions and garlic in the special Vrat Ka Khana or the fasting meal. In fact, people who do not observe these fasts also refrain from consuming onion, garlic, non-vegetarian food and alcohol during the 9 days of Navratri. But why is it that people avoid onion and garlic during this period? So according to Hindu and ancient Ayurvedic understanding, foods can be divided into 3 categories: Rajasic food, Tamasic food and Sattvic food. While fasting for Navratri, people opt to go for Sattvic food. Besides the religious aspect, there is also a scientific reason for this. Sharad Navratri falls around the months of October-November, which usually marks the transition period from autumn to winter. Now, during this time of seasonal change, our immunity tends to decline and therefore it helps to switch to light Sattvic food that does not burden our digestive system. It may also help in keeping away from toxins that may breed in greasy, heavy or unhealthy food and thus cleanses our body of all the impurities. The word Sattvic comes from the word Sattva, which means the one that is pure, natural, vital, energetic, clean and conscious. Sattvic foods include most of our Vrat ingredients like fresh fruits, cooling curd, pure rock salt, seasonal vegetables like pumpkin and lauki, and subtle spices like cumin, coriander and black pepper. On the other hand, the words Rajas and Tamas refer to something that is destructive, resentful, unripe and weak. During this period of Navratri fasting, when you are supposed to denounce worldly pleasures and adopt a simple and pure state of life to show your devotion, it is believed that Rajasic and Tamasic food may distract your mental focus. Onion and garlic are categorized as Tamasic in nature and have been linked to invoke carnal energies in the body. Onions are also said to produce heat in the body. Therefore, they are avoided during the Navratri fast. Onion along with garlic is also known as Rajogini, that refers to substances that make one lose grip over their instincts, making it difficult to distinguish between desires and priorities. Ancient Vedic texts also regard salty, spicy, strong and pungent foods to take away one's focus from the devotion to one's Lord. That's all for now. For more news and interesting stories, please subscribe to One India News.